This is spinach. I'm going to cook spinach soup. And this is spinach I already clean and wash it. Now I'm going to cut it and then cook. So now I have a liter of water. I boil 1 liter of water, and then I put in spinach. Now I am going to add in some salt. Salt. 2 tiny spoon like this. I don't know how much it is in American measurement, but this is the tiny spoon we use to eat yogurt. When we buy yogurts in supermarket, they give us this spoon for free. And let it cook for 5 minutes. Going to add in a liter of oil, a half of a spoon like this of oil. The oil make the vegetable smooth and green. And now after 4 minutes boiling, I'm going to add in this soup a spoon of fish sauce. And before finish, I add in a spoon of monosodium. This is made from sugar cane. I will add in this 1 spoon, and I show you the monosodium. So this is the kind of monosodium that I eat. Umami seasoning. This is originate from Japan. It's made from sugar cane. And then I'm going to finish spinach soup here. Have this. This is again. Very good. This is spinach soup. Eat with rice. Con cứ ăn thoải mái đi. Mẹ chỉ có bát canh quay mặt con thôi. Thằng miếng rau to nhỉ. Ngon không con? Ok, con ăn đi, mẹ chỉ quay đi như thế được.